my name is Mr. Ben with the Lafayette Public Library, and I wanted to show you a cool project that you can do at your house. Using only 3 ingredients, you can make bouncy balls. We're going to use borax, cornstarch, and glue. Let's see how we do it. Alright, so here we have everything that we're going to need to make the bouncy balls. We have borax, cornstarch, a 1/4 cup of water, and then I have 2 mixing bowls, some green food coloring so I can make the ball green, a stirring stick, then we have a tablespoon and a teaspoon, and last but not least, some school glue. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make our wet ingredient cup, which is going to be the 1/4 cup of warm to hot water and 1 tablespoon of borax. Try and level that off. Then we're going to get that really good stir. We want to try and make sure that it is as mixed as we possibly can get it. It's mostly diluted. We want to get it as diluted as possible. That's why we use the hot water. Hot water helps dilate the solution better than cold water. In the other one, we are going to do 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then we are going to do 2 tablespoons of school glue, which can take a minute to squeeze out. That's 1 and 2. We have our craft stick. We're going to use this for our stir. So we're going to try and scrape as much of that school glue out of the tablespoon as possible. We are going to try and mix this up just a little bit. And at this point, we're going to add 3 drops of, well, accidentally did 4, of food coloring. Stir it up just a little bit so it's nice and slimy. And then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of the borax solution. We want to make sure that we get it all over glue and kind of let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds. And now we are going to try and stir it as well as we can until it starts clumping up like this. It's already doing really quickly. We're still going to try and smash it a little bit with the stick first to get some of the polymers to start forming. It's starting to form into one glop. We are going to move it to our hands, which is pretty gross, but it's okay. And then we're going to use our other hand to kind of start smashing and working it in between our hands. It starts off really gross, really sticky, but before long, it'll start to form up. No, that's not so sticky. I'm going to try kneading it. A lot of instructions online say to knead it right away, but I find it just gets stuck in between your fingers and becomes kind of a pain, so I like to wait until it's a little firmer. Alright. Hey, there we go. Alright. It's looking pretty good. And there you have it. We have our very own bouncy ball, ready to bounce on anything. See you later, friends.